Hey everyone, this is Brett with Kanto Mounts, and today we're going to go over a complete guide to mounting your TV on the wall. Whether you're a seasoned home renovations expert or a beginner getting started, we're here to help. In this video, we're going to walk you through considerations before purchasing a mount, how to choose the right mount for your home application, the tools you will need, plus a few extra just to help you along the way, unboxing the mount we're going to install, and then cover the entire mount process from start to finish. Mounting a TV on the wall is a great way to save space and secure your TV. TVs are getting larger and larger, and with children and pets running around, mounting your TV is a great way to keep them safe. To learn more about the benefits of mounting your TV, check out the video in the link below. Before you purchase your mount, there are a few things you need to consider. What do you need the mount to do? Do you have multiple viewing angles in your home, or will the TV be stationary? Do you get a reflection from the sunlight coming through a window? What material are you mounting your TV into? Wood studs, steel studs, brick, concrete? There are different mounts with different price points and features to meet every need. For a more in-depth look at mounting considerations, check out one of the videos we have linked in the description below. Kanto mounts come with installation hardware for wood, concrete, and brick. If you're looking to install your TV into steel studs, make sure you purchase a mount that comes with the appropriate hardware. In a situation where you are unsure what material is behind your drywall, or you're uncomfortable about mounting in steel studs, contact a professional. When determining which mount to buy, there are two main specifications that you should know: your TV's weight and the VESA pattern. Both of these specs should be in your TV's manual or online on the manufacturer's website. To learn more about TV VESA patterns, check out the video that we've linked in the description. Mounts come in different sizes and functions based on what you need. Some mounts mount into a single stud, while others go into dual. Some extend, swivel, and pan, while others just tilt. Choose the right mount based on your needs. To help you do this, we have another video that we've linked in the description that goes over all the different mounting features. Once you've purchased a mount, you're going to need some tools to install it. Most mounts are going to require similar tools to install, but we're going to go over the specific tools to install the Kanto PDX 650 dual stud TV mount. The tools that you need are a drill with a drill bit, a socket set, a tape measure, a stud finder, a level, a screwdriver, a pencil, painter's tape, and then a few tools that are going to help you that aren't necessarily needed are packing tape and an impact driver. Today we're going to install the PDX 650 mount. This is one of our top selling and most affordable TV mounts on the market. It's available at most major retailers in Canada and the US. The PDX 650 includes the mount, all hardware needed for wood and brick installation, a wall template, and magnetic bolt covers. We can break the mounting process down into 4 simple steps: attaching the H-frame to the TV, mounting the bracket to the wall, hanging the TV on the bracket, and final adjustments and cable management. So step 1 is going to be attaching the H-frame to the television. Once the vertical arms are installed, we attach the H-frame to the vertical arms. To attach the H-frame, we're going to use a 10mm socket wrench. Step 2 is going to be to attach the wall bracket to the wall. Before you do that, you want to figure out exactly how high you want the TV to be. Typically, you want the TV to be about 42 inches from the ground to the center of the TV. We have a helpful YouTube video that you can check out in the description. Using a stud finder, I'm going to identify where the first stud is. and the second stud. Now using my level, I'm just going to draw a horizontal line over where I marked the vertical lines to give me an idea of where I want to drill the holes for the bracket. So once we've identified where the two studs are, we're going to put up the drill template. And this is going to help us to figure out exactly where we want to drill the holes. It's a good thing to use painter's tape when you're doing this, and it'll avoid ripping the paint off the wall when you take it off. Using the first mark that we made to identify where the stud is, we're going to use a level to make sure that we line up where the drilling hole should go. So one trick that you can do is if you use packing tape and put it over top of the hole for the template, the packing tape will actually hold the template against the wall, and it'll avoid any extra dust going between the wall and the drill template. You'll notice that there's a handy dust catcher here that prevents any of the drywall dust or sawdust from hitting your carpet or floor. Next, we're going to drill the holes. For this particular mount, we're using a 7/32 drill bit. Once you've drilled the holes, you can take off the wall template. Make sure to keep it level so that you avoid spilling all the sawdust and the drywall dust on the ground. So once you've drilled your holes and removed your wall template, you can attach the bracket. It's best to start by putting the top two bolts in about 1/4 of the way first, just to help take some of the pressure of the weight off. You might require a second set of hands with this step. If you have an impact driver at home, you can use that to tighten the leg bolts. Don't go all the way into the wall with the impact driver. Stop right before the end and finish it off with a socket set. Once the bracket's mounted to the wall, the next step is going to be to install the TV. The mount should be level on the wall because you used your level before to make sure the holes were straight. But this particular mount does have some adjustment to make sure that the TV is level once you get it up. So don't worry too much about that. When you're hanging the TV onto the wall bracket, get someone to give you a hand, as the TV can be cumbersome to hang by yourself. When we're hanging the TV on the wall bracket, we're aiming to line up the bolt here with the two bolts here with the insert on the H-frame. So once the TV is hanging on the security bolt above, what we're going to do is attach the two lower nuts. So once we've put the two nuts on, we're going to tighten to about 90%, and then we're going to level the TV. Perfect. Once you've tightened the nuts that hold the H-frame to the wall bracket, you're ready for step 4 to make the final adjustments. The PDX 650 comes with magnetic leg bolt covers to help clean up the aesthetic of your TV once it's installed. The design has allowed them to just snap right into place. The PDX 650 has integrated cable management channels to allow you to keep the cables clean in the back of the TV. To adjust the tilt, I'm going to use a 10mm socket wrench and loosen the tilt bolt mechanism. Once I've loosened the bolt, I'm going to tilt the TV to the desired angle, and then tighten the tilting bolt mechanism back into place. The PDX 650 can extend, swivel, and pan to give you the best viewing angles. For more information about our products, check out our website, kantomounts.com. And don't forget to visit our YouTube channel for more helpful hints.